Looking for good air fryers? Check out these two from Dreo. A small one perfect for a couple of people, and a full-size one great for feeding a big family. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you also like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out these two air fryers from Dreo. One is compact, only takes up a little space, perfect for a small kitchen. The other is full size, great for feeding a large family. Let's look at the small one first. It came in a nice box with colorful prints. Opening the box, there's an user guide with a recipe book. Nice touch. A get started guide, a non-stick bottom plate, and finally the air fryer. Very small and light. Make sure to remove all the plastic packaging. The air fryer is very compact even for a 4-quart size air fryer. It's in a cylindrical shape, has a round body with flat top and bottom, measures just about 9.4 inches in diameter and 11.6 inches tall. There are a black and a white model. I have the black one here. There's a Dreo logo in the front and a big handle for the basket. Press the button on the top of the handle to take the basket out. The non-stick bottom plate has these 4 food-grade silicone feet so it could be suspended in the basket. The touch controls are all on the top and they light up clearly. There's a power button to turn the fryer on and off or start and pause. There's a preheat button to the right and a preset menu button on the left. There are 8 presets with icons on the top for fries, steak, chicken, fish, bread, vegetable, dehydrate, and reheat. 4 of the presets have built-in reminders or prompts to shake or flip the food in the middle of cooking. The LED display is bright and large, showing cooking time and temperature. The cooking time can also be adjusted manually with these up and down buttons on the right. And these up and down buttons on the left adjust temperatures from 100 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Very intuitive to use. Before using the air fryer, Dreo suggests cleaning the basket and preheating the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes to remove any odor. Let's try it out by making some fries, of course. For fries lovers, this is a much healthier way to make them, much less oily. Use the menu button on the top to select the fries preset. 380 degrees, Dreo reference guide suggests 22 minutes for homemade fries. By the way, some say to preheat the air fryer to 380 degrees for 3 minutes first. Some say preheating is not necessary. Do you think preheating is needed? Share with us in the comment section below. Alright, let's fast forward a little. At about 9 minutes, the air fryer reminds us to shake the fries. Fast forward to the end. There it is. Nice golden brown fries. Tasty and best of all, not oily. The non-stick plate and the basket are both very easy to clean. They can be washed either by hand or with a dishwasher. Now, if a 4-quart air fryer is too small for your family, Dreo has this 6.8 quart model with even more features. It also came in a colorful box, and there's an even thicker recipe book with 100 dishes. It only comes in black, much larger at 12.4 inches wide, almost 15 inches deep, and 13.6 inches tall. There's a transparent viewing window in the front right above the basket, so we could see how things are cooking inside, which is great. Just like the 4-quart model, there's a big handle with a button on top to unlock and remove the basket. It has a similar non-stick bottom plate with food-grade silicone feet. The touch controls are also on the top. The power button is in the middle, and there's a separate start and pause button above it. There are plus and minus buttons next to them for temperature and time adjustments. There's a light button to turn on and off the light in the chamber for the see-through window, a preheat button, and a menu select button with 6 presets for fries, poultry, steak, seafood, bacon, and vegetable. There are 5 functions. In addition to the dehydrate and air fry functions, this larger air fryer also bake, roast, and broil like an oven. Let's make some fries with this one too. Select the fries preset. Same 380 degrees for 22 minutes. Hit start button to start. And 22 minutes later, yep, more nice golden brown fries. So I think it comes down to how much room you have and how many people you usually cook for. The 4-quart model doesn't take up much space at all, and it's great for a couple of people. The larger 6.8 quart model takes up more room, can cook for a larger family of 6 or more, has additional oven-like functions, and a great transparent viewing window. Oh, and it costs a little bit more. The 4-quart model retails for $89.99 US, and the 6.8 quart model is $119.99. There are frequent discounts in the links I'll put in the description below if you'd like to check them out. Have you tried air fryers? Which ones are your favorites? Share with us in the comment section below. I'll check out this 2023 #1 kitchen appliance on Kickstarter, Dreo Chef Maker, next. So subscribe to the channel and come back to see that video. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment. Thanks to Dreo for sending these out for me to try and share with you.